Hey Bows, today we're going to be opening some Pokemon packs. We got 2 Burning Shadows and we got 1 Guardians Rising. So let's start off with this one. Okay, so I've already slightly opened it to get video rolling. Now, this might have to be like a series, kind of like a mini series. It's like part 1, part 2, you know. But anyway, let's get on with it. And here's the code if you want it. There you go. I'm probably going to use it. You know what? I don't even use it. So first up, we've got a Jangmo. Oh, and I don't know what type. I'm sorry, but I just don't know. I just don't know what that is. So yeah. Now let's this is tough, isn't it? Here's the card. Hopefully you tell me what you get. Okay, so first up we have got a Porygon 2. Put that to the side. We've got a Weakness Policy, a Simisage, a Cutiefly, so cute. We got a Venipede, a Horsey, we got a Sneasel, a Crabrawler. Oh, a special Lycanroc, but is this Lycanroc actually fighting, or is it a fake one? I don't know if it's fake or real. Let's just go with it. Oh, I also forgot to show off the token. So the token is Lucario, obviously. I think I've shown you that. Anyway, here it is. And very special. Looks amazing. And now onto this one. Let's get on with it. That didn't do anything. That just literally didn't do anything. But we're still getting on. Right, okay, I made an incision. So, I can't remember what this rare card is. It's a Kamala. And here's the code. Hopefully you get it in time. Person. Then, yeah, Kamala. Put that to the side. Then we have Burning Shadows. Let's open it up. By the way, when this gets to 5 minutes, I'm going to have to stop recording, so this is going to be part 1. Then the last part will probably be the Guardians Rising. Or it's just going to be me showing them off. Here's the code. Okay, so first off we have Electabuzz. We have Mount Lanika. We have Kawaii. I can't remember how to say his name, so I'm sorry. We've got a Magikarp. Go check out my other video where I do an impression of Magikarp, by the way. We've got a Pansear. Yeah. We've got a Croagunk. We have got a Togedemaru. A Wimpod. The special card is the trainer, which is Proton. Then we've got a Weevil. And an energy. Stupid energies. Hate energies. Energies are stupid. Then we got the Lucario. So nice. Oh my god, have we been lucky with this one? Oh my god, we've been lucky. Thanks, Guardians Rising. Well, with this one we get a Tessarina, I think that is. Then code Oh, by the way, this is backwards, so remember to type in all backwards. So that was just because, yeah. Oh, by the way, yeah, it's Christmas. I'll see you in part 2. Bye. We'll be looking at the other pack.